Hello guys! Welcome to Q-Tech Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to create an After Effect using Canva. It's free and offers amazing effects, so follow me step by step. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and press the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Alright, let's get to the topic. Open Canva. Go to Canva and click on Video. Select the video size you prefer. Add shapes. Navigate to Elements and search for Shape. Select a shape and fill it with the color of your choice. Copy the shape and change the color for the second one. Continue this until you have 4 shapes, each with a color of your choice. Group and rotate. Once you've set the colors, select all the shapes, right-click and choose Group. Rotate the grouped shapes to your desired angle. Add text. Click on Text and add any text you like. For example, I'll add the word chocolate. Choose a color for the text and apply an effect if you want. Add elements. Go back to Elements and search for chocolate. Add chocolate illustrations as you like. You can also add a description. For this tutorial, I'm using ChatGPT for the description. Animate. Drag down all the chocolate images and text, then rotate the grouped shapes again. Create next page. On the next page of the video, select ice cream flavor and adjust it on the shapes. Add text again according to your preference. Continue this for all shapes. Add transition. Once everything is set, click on Add Transition between video clips and choose Match and Move for a smooth transition effect. And that's it. Your video is now ready. Thank you for watching my video. Please leave a comment if you want more tutorials or have any specific requests. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.